Hi. Hi. I've seen this question asked quite a lot. How do you change a normal switch to a smart switch? There's several things we need to look at. First of all, turn the electricity off and have a look at the back of the switch. Screws are undone. Let's have a look at the back of the switch. Okay. We have red and black. No, it is not live and neutral. This is live. This black is switched live. It goes live when you press the switch. That's why it's called switched live. Most smart switches require a neutral. So in this case, because we only have live and switched live, we can't use an ordinary smart switch because we have no neutral. You can get some switches that have a small battery to operate the electronics, and they switch the light on and off or dim it as required. Supposing we have one of those. Now let's look at this switch. Yes, okay, it's a dimmer switch. But you see how much it protrudes out of the back? Now if we look at the box here, this box is very shallow. This is actually a 16mm deep box. So there's no way, even if we had enough wires here, which we don't, there's no way that this switch is going to fit in there and be able to connect the wires. That means we should change the back box. You can get spacers for it, but that will mean the switch just sticks further out in the room and it looks pretty silly. So in this instance, we cannot put in a smart switch. So you can't change the switch to a smart switch. What can you do? It's actually quite easy. How about one of these? It's a smart lamp or a smart bulb. It's just sitting in a normal table light. I'm dimming it via an app. Like all good smart things, it's controllable via voice too. Alexa, turn off 21.
Okay.
Yes, that one actually is called 21. Alexa, turn on 21.
Okay.
You don't have to call them by numbers, but we found it easier. Most smart lamps, smart bulbs, do require a hub. Some work straight on Wi-Fi, but I found the best ones work via a hub. Here we are. You can see this lamp is a Philips Hue lamp. Philips Hue use the Zigbee network. You need a Philips Hue or a Zigbee hub in order for the lamps to work, but you only need one hub for multiple lamps. But is there anything else you can do? The answer is actually yes. If you look at this light here, it has 3 lamps. These lamps have a GU10 fitting. Yes, you can get smart GU10 lamps. But obviously as it's got 3, you'd need to spend 3 times as much. If you look to the left, there is a small box. It's sitting next to the light. Yes, it doesn't look brilliant, no pun intended, but that's only because it wouldn't fit in the light fitting itself. But what's this? Alexa, turn on 24.
Okay.
As you see, we have voice control on the light fitting. We can only turn it on or off, but it's better than nothing. The unit that does it is called a Sonoff unit. That's Son Off. As I said, it can only turn it on or off. Alexa, turn off 24.
Okay.
And if you're wondering, yes, the light sitting next to it does have a smart bulb in it. Alexa, dim 26 to 10%.
Okay.
Obviously smart bulbs are easy and quick to install. But is there anything else you can do? Well, yes. You could always do this. As you see here, the lamp on the right really is a compact fluorescent. They don't make them anymore. So therefore, we can't make that smart bulb. We could put a smart bulb in it, but chose not to. It still works. So we thought we'll leave it for the time being. But as you can see, next to it, there's another lamp. It's just a lamp. Alexa, turn on 23.
Okay.
As you see, it is, as I said, it's just a lamp. But when you need light, I should just turn off the other one. Does it really matter what the lamp looks like? This one's above our stairs. Alexa, dim 23 to 60%.
Okay.
As much light as you need. Do you go around staring at lamps? I don't. As this is a Philips Hue lamp, this particular one has two colour temperatures. What's this? It's now a brilliant blue-white. Whereas before, it was a warm colour. Not all Philips Hue lamps can do this. Obviously you choose it when you purchase it, which one you're going to have. If you found this video to be useful, a thumbs up would be appreciated. A subscription to the channel, which is free, would be great as well. If you'd like to support the channel, please buy me a coffee, link in the description. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.